Hi. Today we're going to install two node Kubernetes cluster, one master node and one worker node. It is suitable for learning and testing. For the prerequisites, you need to set up the Ubuntu server Linux. And I have already done setup for two virtual machines with Ubuntu 22.04 Linux server and configured an IP addresses. So on the next steps, we will see the setup script for simple automating the setup procedure, and after this we will install the master node and the worker node. So here is the first server with IP 10.21.10.51. It is master node, and the worker node is with IP 10.21.10.52. So here we have also the script that will set up the master node and the worker node. You need to pass the type of node as a first parameter. Let's see what's inside the file. So here we have the IP addresses and the DNS names to put in the etc hosts file to work networking for K8s properly. Also, we are setting the host name, but you can specify it manually and omit. And next goes the step for updating the system, disabling the swap, setting other kernel parameters that are recommended on the kubernetes.io website. The other part is for just updating and installing the Kubernetes and Docker packages. Also, it installs the administrative part for managing the Kubernetes, kubeadm, kubectl, and other. And finally, it finishes the install with initiating a cluster.
And as the last step, after the cluster init, we will apply the Calico YAML file. This command installs Calico version 3.25.0 as the container network interface plugin in your Kubernetes cluster, enabling advanced networking features like network policies and routing.
So, let's start with master node install. We will do this from the root user, or you can use sudo command. So let's modify the script. As it is not the worker node, let's disable this part of script because we don't know the hash value for installing worker nodes. So, run the script, specifying the first parameter, the name, master. Script starts working, it does not take long time, and you will need to press enter several times just to confirm that we are going to install components. And we have finished. We will copy the join command to use it later from this output. And so the worker node, install, we will do the same things. Modify the script, and we'll run this script with the worker parameter. And let's speed up the video, skipping just the same things as on the master node, except for command, kubeinit. It is not done on a worker node. Let's now connect the worker node to the master node and check its status. It is time to copy this kubeadm join command and paste it in CLI on the worker node. We will use kubectl get nodes on the master node to see the status of joining. So it's joined, but it's not ready yet. Let's wait some time.
So let's done it once more. Oh, okay, it's now ready.
So we finished with installing. And now we have minimally working cluster ready for learning and testing.
Thank you.